So first thing we're going to talk about is Easy Glow. Some time ago, I did tell everybody that if you don't get the original Easy Glow, you can see it. If you don't get the original Easy Glow, it becomes a problem. I will advise you get the original one. So we'll be looking at this. We'll get the original one, 500 ml, put it inside your bowl properly. Then you bring out your Pure June lotion. Yes, you add it to it. Now you not bring out your piment dust. If you get original piment dust, let me tell you how it works. If you get original piment dust, it works like you know ASAP. It's the original one. So we've just mentioned Easy Glow, and we talk about June and also piment dust. So mix these three, pick the serum and open the three serum. Pick the June serum, pick the piment dust serum, and pick the Easy Glow serum. If you don't see it, you can use any other serum and add to it. All right. Then you blend properly. All right. Trust me, we're going somewhere. And after that, you pick the oil. Pick the oil of the pigeon. Pick the oil of the pimentos. Then you add to it. We have the mindset to make it general for everybody, and also we prevent it from causing white patches, stretch mark, green vein. You mix your sim white with your propylene glycol, then you add to it. That's the only part that we use it. Then you cannot put just one blend pronine activator. That's all. One blend pronine activator, you know, just add it, then you blend. You can put your preservative, little, you can put your own kind of perfume, but I know like that is just okay. Then you can begin to use. We've come to the end of the class. It's not more than that. In the blend for nine, trust me, we have anti-aging. It will not. We have, yes, anti-aging there, and we have anti-wrinkles, and also we have anti green vein, and also we have uh anti what is it called, white patches. So every other prevention are inside a blend pronine. All right, the activator. So you cannot use to mix it. When you mix it, it's perfect. It has not turned the whole solution to be one purpose. All right. For those of us who are aged, can easily use this. Okay, below 40 to 60 can use it. So not talk about 70, all right? Because this you just produce is your own recipe. Call it your own recipe because I've given you. It's your own recipe and it's a bomb. Trust me. So all right, we've got to the end of the our class. Do not forget that we ship everywhere worldwide. We ship everywhere. UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, we ship everywhere. And we also do online training, or you can come to our office. Yes, we do all that.